Doing job search in US, Canada, Australia, or any other first world countries? What if I tell you that learning this technology will help you a lot in your career building and job search in any first world countries? Whether you're trying to find a job in your own country or abroad, you can be a job seeker or a startup founder, you must know cloud technology. My name is Som, having 15 years of experience in IT industry and more than 10 years into cloud technology as solution architect and subject matter expert based in Toronto, Canada. Passionate about training and coaching IT professionals. If you are still unaware about the cloud technology, you are unknowingly missing lot of opportunities. Whether you're a technical, non-technical developer, manager, executive, salesperson, or business analyst in any organization, you must know cloud technology. You can be a public speaker, doctor, shopkeeper, a chef, any role you can think of. Knowing cloud will open up a world of opportunity for you. And the best way is you will be able to decide your own way to grow your career and business. Now, let me tell you few research facts. In 2021, the worldwide spending of public cloud was 412 billion US dollar. In 2022, the figure was 492 billion dollar, and in 2023 it is forecasted that it is going to be 600 billion US dollar. So you can understand the jump of 100 billion dollar in just 1 year. As per Google research, 41.1% of tech and business leaders plan to increase their investment in cloud based services. By 2027, 50% of enterprises will be using cloud platforms. So we can understand that at this time in 2023, not even 50% of enterprises are using cloud platforms. But it is expected that by 2027, it will reach 50%. In recent days, 8 out of 10 startups are starting their business with cloud as IT enabler. So you can understand that the ocean of opportunity is waiting for you. By learning this cloud technology, you can do your job search in any first world countries like US, Canada, Australia, UAE, and many more. Give yourself an hour and join this session to understand what is cloud, why you need to learn this, what are the benefits. You do not need to be the expert in cloud, just to know what is it and how it can support your career to grow for your job search in your country or abroad. Let me know your question in the comment box. Let me know your aspirational role and job search. Thank you for your time. Be in touch. In next session, I will bring more about the career roadmap and job search in US, Canada, Australia, UAE. Thank you for your time. See you in my next session.